From the multiples angle formula, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. Whenever you have log xy, which can be written as log x plus log y, whenever it is in the denominator, you can subtract it. Using multiple angle formula, 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am, Vidhyaashram School of Excellence, Mysuru. So in the previous session, we have taken problems on the chapter continuity and differentiability. Here in this session, we'll take up the problems which you can expect for 3-mark questions. So let's move on to the first question. Find the derivative of sin x minus cos x to the power sin x minus cos x with respect to x. So I have already told you, whenever a functions are in the exponential form, use log function, which is one of the major application in logarithmic function. So now here, let me take here y is equal to sin x minus cos x whole to the power sin x minus cos x. Now when you apply log on both sides, this becomes log y is equal to, so whenever you apply any function or log to the exponential function, this can be written in the form of y into log x. So that is why here I can write this as sin x minus cos x into log of sin x minus cos x. Now differentiate on both sides. So when you differentiate log y, it is in the form of 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, here you have two functions. This is the first function and this is the second function, which is in the product form. So apply the product rule. So what does the product rule says? First function derivative of second plus second function into derivative of the first. So let me write the first function as it is. That is sin x minus cos x. Now derive this function. So log of anything will be in the form of 1 by x form. So log of sin x minus cos x will be in the form of 1 over sin x minus cos x. But sin x minus cos x is also one more function, differentiated. So differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos x is minus sin x. You have minus here, it becomes plus sin x. So first function into differentiation of the second is complete. Now second function, that is log of sin x minus cos x into differentiation of the first or the derivative of the first. So again here the derivative of sin is cos and derivative of cos is minus sin, which becomes plus sin x. So clearly you can observe sin x minus cos x get cancels here, and from these two terms cos x plus sin x is a common factor. So here I can take cos x plus sin x as a common factor. So then here I have left with 1 plus log of sin x minus cos x. And in the left hand side, you can just rewrite here dy by dx. You can shift y to the right hand side. So this becomes y. Or you can write this as dy by dx is equal to, when you replace the value of y, then it becomes sin x minus cos x whole to the power sin x minus cos x into cos x plus sin x into 1 plus log of sin x minus cos x. So this is the derivative of the given function. So apply log on both sides, differentiate on both sides and simplify. Next, if y is equal to sin inverse of to the power x, find dy by dx. So y is equal to sine inverse of x means we have sine inverse of x to the power x. So again we have two functions here. Let me apply log on both sides. Then this can be written as log y is equal to x into log of sine inverse x. So remember the derivative of all inverse trigonometric function. So log y, when you differentiate, it is 1 by y into dy by dx. Now again in the right hand side you have two functions. Apply the product rule. First function into derivative of the second. So log of sine inverse x means 1 divided by sine inverse x. Again when you differentiate sine inverse x, it is 1 over root of 1 minus x square. Now it is done. So first function into derivative of the second plus second function, that is log of sine inverse x into derivative of the first, which is 1. Now here I can rewrite dy by dx is equal to y. So multiply this completely. So here I'll get x divided by sine inverse x into root of 1 minus x square plus log of sine inverse x. So replace the value of y which we have taken. So dy by dx is equal to sine inverse x to the power x into x divided by sine inverse x root of 1 minus x square plus log of sine inverse x. So this is the derivative of the given function. Next, if y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, where x lies between 0 and 1, find dy by dx. So therefore, here you have an inverse trigonometric function. So you have already found the simplification of this type of equations in inverse trigonometric lesson. That is, write the following inverse trigonometric functions into simplest form. Now here I'll convert this into simplest form and then I'll derive it. So whenever the equation is given in terms of inverse trigonometric functions, first convert it into simplest form and then derive it. So here what I'll take here, put x is equal to tan theta. So then this implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. So remember, so what happens here? Y is equal to cos inverse of, so in the place of x, just replace tan theta. So this becomes tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So from the multiples angle formula, 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. So therefore this is y is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So whenever inverse and its function exists, we can directly write y is equal to 2 into theta. So what is theta? Tan inverse x. So what does it becomes? Y is equal to tan inverse x. Now we know the derivative of tan inverse x, that is, so dy by dx is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. So this is the derivative of the given equation here. Next question, differentiate y is equal to square root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x. So clearly we have y in the form of surds, that is under the square root. To remove the square root, I will apply log on both sides. So then it becomes log y is equal to, this can be written as log of x minus 3 x square plus 4 whole divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 to the power half, 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 can be written as a whole number. So here log y we have. So then this can be written as half into. See, now we have log xy form. This can be written as, whenever you have log xy, which can be written as log x plus log y. Whenever it is in the denominator, you can subtract it. So I can write this as log x minus 3 plus log x square plus 4. And since this is in the denominator, I can write minus log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now we can differentiate it on both sides. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. So log x minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by x minus 3, and differentiation of x minus 3 is same, 1 minus 0, which becomes 1. Next we have log x square by 4, which becomes 1 divided by x square plus 4. Differentiation of x square is 2x and 4 is 0, so no need to write. Next, minus 1 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now let us differentiate 3x square. 3 is as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So here we get, and plus 4 into derivative of x is 1 plus 0, because 5 is purely constant there. So now here I can write it as dy by dx is equal to y by 2. So this becomes 1 divided by x minus 3, 2x divided by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So if you replace y in this form, then dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. So what is y we have to write? So that is square root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 2x divided by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So this is the derivative of the given function. Next question, find dy by dx if y is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. I already said to you, when y is expressed in terms of an inverse trigonometric function, first simplify it and then derive it. So here also I'll put x is equal to tan theta. So then theta can be written in the form of tan inverse x. So let us substitute here. So here y is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So using multiple angle formula, 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. So here y is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So sine inverse and sine can be removed. So y is equal to 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. So we have 2 into tan inverse x. So therefore here dy by dx can be written as 2 into, so derivative of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. So which is 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Next question, differentiate the function log x to the power cos x with respect to x, two functions in the exponential form. So let me take y is equal to log x to the power cos x. So apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to cos x into log of log x. Now let's derive on both sides. Log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Cos x as it is, because it's a product rule now. First function, derivative of the second. So log of log x is 1 by log x. and derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second function into derivative of first, that is derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So now here we have dy by dx is equal to y. So here it becomes cos x divided by x log x minus log of log x into sin x. So replace the value of y here. So therefore dy by dx is equal to log x whole to the power cos x over x log x minus log of log x into sin x. So this is the derivative. Next we have find dy by dx if y power x is equal to x power y. Clearly let us apply log on both sides. Then this becomes x into log y, y into log x. So both sides we have two functions. So apply both sides the product rule. So first function into derivative of log y, that is 1 by y into dy by dx plus second function, that is log y into derivative of x, which is 1. Next here also first function derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of the y, that is dy by dx. Now here, so move dy by dx here and the terms containing dy by dx towards left hand side and the terms which does not contain dy by dx towards right side. So then this becomes, when you take dy by dx as a common factor here, so here it is x by y, and when it comes to this side it is minus log x. And here we have y by x, when you shift here, minus log y. So when you solve it, dy by dx, x minus y log x divided by y, and here y minus x log y divided by x. So rearrange it, dy by dx is equal to, so this becomes y into y minus x log y divided by x into x minus y log x. So this is the derivative. Sometimes they will give you the function and ask you to prove dy by dx is this, which is one and the same. So finding dy by dx or proving the dy by dx as the required result is one and the same. Next question, differentiate sin square x with respect to e to the power cos x. So here we have two functions separately. So let us take u is equal to sin square x and v is equal to e power cos x. Now we need to differentiate this with respect to e power cos x. So therefore, let me take du by dx here, differentiate both with respect to x. Since we have sin square x here, when you have x square, you will convert it into 2x. Similarly, when you have sin square, you will convert it into 2 sin x and then differentiate sin x. What is sin x? It is cos x. Next, we will take dv by dx. So what is the derivative of e power x? It is e power x. So therefore, e power cos x means e power cos x only, but differentiate cos x again, then it becomes minus sin x. So now I have to differentiate u with respect to v. So u with respect to v means we get du by dv. So how we will get this? This can be written in this form, du by dx divided by dv by dx. It's same as the parametric functions here. So therefore here, which can be written as 2 sin x cos x over e power cos x minus sin x. sin x get cancels here. So I'll get this as minus 2 cos x divided by e power cos x. So this is the derivative. So whenever the functions is given in this form, take the first one as u and the second one as v. You can also take in the form of x and y and apply the parametric rule here also. So differentiate both with respect to x here. Now what they have asked you, we have to differentiate sin square x with respect to e power cos x. That means we have to differentiate u with respect to v. Differentiate u with respect to means it is du by dv. So du by dx, dv by dx gives you du by dv, and applying the answers here, so cancelling and simplifying, we will get the result as minus 2 cos x divided by e power cos x. So these are all a 3 marks question which will be very simple. Most probably 3 marks questions are asked from logarithmic functions and inverse trigonometric functions. We'll take few more questions in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.